Have you ever considered that there might be similarities between the profession of diplomacy and the Christmas season? I am Dr. Yolanda Spies and I direct a master's program in diplomatic studies at this department. During the festive season, Christmas, we share messages of goodwill, we wish people peace, happiness. It is about inclusion, it's about tolerance, it's deeply symbolic. Likewise, the profession of diplomacy is filled with symbolism. Symbols such as the peace dove, olive branches, hands that are shaking, all point to attempts to communicate, to make peace, to build bridges, to resolve conflict. The logo of the United Nations, which is a diplomatic institution, is the globe, and it is wrapped in olive branches. And several other international organizations also have olive branches in their logos, all of them pointing to the purpose of diplomacy, which is really geared at establishing, securing peace. Every day all over the world there are thousands of diplomats. They don't necessarily make the headlines. They work tirelessly. They rebuild bridges that other people have burnt. They face diversity and take the long view and ensure that humanity can live in peaceful coexistence. And here at this department, we teach diplomats. We equip them with analytical skills to do their jobs even better. Our master's program is customized for diplomats, but not just professional diplomats. Other professionals who work in the same domain, who work with diplomatic challenges, who work in the international arena and are faced with the same diversity and challenges, trying to secure peaceful coexistence. So in this festive season, we are proud to contribute to a world where hope is at the top of the agenda, where we create more able and more motivated diplomats.